Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about end-of-life software. We have some key software and dates to share with you for you to keep in mind, or at least get over to your IT team and make sure they have some plans in place. So the first one is Exchange 2013. That is end-of-life October 2025. The next one is Office 2019 Perpetual, and that is end-of-life October 2025. The big one we've been talking about, Windows 10, end of life, October 2025. And one a little further out is Server 2016, which is end of life January 2027. So the biggest one on the list, of course, is the Windows 10 end of life coming up in October. And we've written several blogs and videos and updates and articles about this. So this one is just a reminder. The big reminder is the whole world is in the same situation, and that is a very popular operating system. And some of the older computers will not run the upgrade and run Windows 11 well, so that it would be difficult for your users if you insist on upgrading it. So many of these need to be replaced. Again, getting in front of that, we want to get the orders out there, get that equipment ordered. We believe it'll be harder and harder to find those replacements, and of course, they'll get more expensive as we get closer to the October date. This might also be an opportunity to look at your IT budget, especially as it relates to physical devices, computers, laptops, firewalls, a server in case you have one, monitors, switches, tablets. We find that several people had to replace a lot more computers than they were expecting, and that's a big financial step out the door here. So we want to be sure you're thinking about that budget, making sure that you have funds set aside to replace these devices. They do have a set amount of life in them. And of course, as newer versions of software and other offerings come out, they don't run well on the older equipment. They're designed for the newer, more modern equipment. If you need any help talking through this budget or this process or taking a look at what you have, we'd be more than happy to get on a call and give you a hand so that you can have that in place. Thanks for your time, and have a great rest of your week.